got an edge, but Rahul Dravid didn't do a clean job of that. Ball is struggling to get to the fence. It has. Pakistan have got their first 4. That's gone through itself.
दोस्तों, क्रिकेट की दुनिया का आज ऐसा मैच जिसने क्रिकेट में नई जान डाल दी थी, नया रूह फूंक दिया था.
Very lucky. Aiming to play it through mid-wicket and comes back for the second. Thickish edge, earns him 2. He's gone for the pull. He'll get a 4. Zahir Khan testing him with a short one, and Shahid Afridi was in position very quickly, although didn't middle it, but that'll do the job for him. Upish away from the slipper, they'll run away to the boundary. India initially were operating with 2 slips in place. They've taken a slip away, and well, that could.
तो दोस्तों, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के माबेन आपको स्क्रीन पर चलता मैच नज़र आ रहा है, जहां पर पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने इंतहाई शानदार और तूफानी बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया था, जहां पर इन दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा छक्के और चौके लगाए थे. चलो वीडियो देखते हैं.
Nicely struck this time.
Now the boundary. Sweetly struck.
दोस्तों, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के माबेन ये मैच बहुत ही ज़्यादा सनसनीखेज रहा. इस मैच को देखने के बाद यकीनी तौर पर आप भी कहोगे कि वाकई में पाक भारत टाकरे ऐसे भी हुआ करते थे.
He keeps it up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that'll do. It's gone an awful long way back. Terrific pickup. He's got that away. 4 more. There's no one back there. There's no one behind square on the leg side at all.
इस मैच में यासिर हमीद बेहतरीन अंदाज से चौके, जबकि शाहिद खान अफरीदी बेहतरीन अंदाज से छक्के लगा रहे हैं.
Oh, wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful shot. All the way by about a foot and a half. Super shot.
और सही मायनों में इस मैच में शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने इंडियन गेंदबाजों की दुर्गत बना डाली थी.
9 overs gone, 80 without loss. That's a smear down the wicket and just smeared it. Totally and utterly premeditated. And this is where he starts.
ज़हीर खान, बालाजी, यासिर हमीद और शाहिद खान अफरीदी के सामने बिल्कुल बेबस नजर आए थे.
So you can't bowl that length and that wide with no third man. It's gone to pieces for India at the moment.
Gutsy selection to have him in the first place, but it's word. It's his 23rd 50. He hasn't made one for a while.
अब देख सकते हो 10 ओवर में पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 85 है. आजकल के पाकिस्तान की क्रिकेट को देखे तो आजकल भी पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम इस तरह की बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा नहीं कर सकता.
There he goes. Hasn't come from the middle of the bat, but there are some powerful forearms of Shahid Afridi in that shot. Brings up the 100 for Pakistan. Well, there he goes again. He's
जब टीम को अच्छा स्टार्ट मिलता है तो उनका स्कोर भी तेजी से आगे जाता है. इस मैच के आखिर में आप ये देख पाओगे.
Where he is. There he goes. It's a very good shot. One of the better shots that he's played. He's played plenty of those. But that was off a good ball. And a first boundary of Ashish Nehra. 116. No wicket.
दोस्तों, इस मैच में भारत की बेहतरीन बॉलिंग लाइनअप बालाजी, ज़हीर खान और इरफान पठान को पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज शाहिद खान अफरीदी और यासिर हमीद ने दिन में तारे दिखा दिए थे. लाला का ये अंदाज बहुत ही लाजवाब है. लाला जब बाहर निकलते हैं तो गेंद को बाउंड्री से बाहर फेंक देते. यहाँ लाला क्लीन बॉल हो गए, मगर अब भी पाकिस्तान के पास काफ़ी बल्लेबाज मौजूद है.
All important wicket taken by Yuvraj Singh. It looked a pretty innocuous delivery, and Shahid Afridi played all over it. Oh, lovely shot. Tremendous piece of placement. Mid-off was up in the circle. Played it straight enough to beat him. One away from his 50. Pushes his partner for a run. The crowd erupts. Yasir Hamid, fantastic innings. 50 not out. That's cleverly placed by Johanna. That's an excellent shot. What a good shot. That's put away. Didn't middle it, but middled it well enough to beat the fielder. Welcome boundary for Pakistan. A real bad delivery to end the over. Yuvraj, ball a half trick up. 25 gone, 171 for 1.
Improvisation. That's a very, very good shot. He's hit that from, I would say, just outside off stump and worked it wide along on and past mid-wicket. It's be interesting. They want to, and they've gone for it. He'll have to hurry, but the throw is wild and high. Bowled him out, hit across it. Yeah, seemed to stand there forever, but I heard the castle go over.
पाकिस्तान का स्कोर 196 है. उनके 2 खिलाड़ी आउट है और 31.1 ओवर में.
And so does umpire Talfel.
Well, this is when it's going to be a really good challenge for power now.
यासिर हमीद और इंजमामुल हक का लाठी चार्ज जारी.
There are no fielders there. Yet another 6. There've been a few today.
यहाँ पर गलतफहमी और पाकिस्तानी बल्लेबाज यासिर हमीद को जाना पड़ेगा.
Tmam wanted the run. Hamid didn't. Hamid lost. The 3rd wicket goes down.
Oh, he's gone up and over the big wicket. It's gone away. Oh, smart shot. Another boundary. He's gone down. They're looking for 2 to keep Tmam, and they're coming back. Good piece of running. Fantastic work. Yunus Khan here doing the job for his skipper to keep him on strike. Now it's just Nira. Comes on. Bowled in front for the gate. Oh, he did the job in the last over. The Karachi. And he knocks the Pakistani skipper over. What a start, particularly with the launching pad. They needed the captain there to make at least 80 runs in the last 10 overs. Great delivery.
Good shout. That's a very good shout. And he's been given 2 wickets and 2 balls for Ashish Nehra. Moin Khan, who struggled in the last match to get going. It's a first ball duck.
Nehra on a hat-trick. Oh, beautifully bowled. Beautifully bowled.
It's turning out to be a good phase for India.
Oh, another midfield chance for run up. He hits just wide. Risky run. Tendulkar not happy. The end of the over. 264 for 5.
Fielded, trouble. What happened there? Tendulkar once again involved in a run-out opportunity, being the man by the stumps. There's the fumble. That's what caused the single, or the attempted single, sent back. And Sachin's got the bails off with no ball, elbow. Oh dear.
Yuvraj catered for the second bounce nicely here. He fumbled it, but then Malik, as he committed, Yuvraj spotted the non-strikers end, this time in the air. It's slicing away from the man at cover for 4. Frustration upon frustration.
That's a good shot. Hit that very firmly. That's what the home crowd wanted. That's what they got. It's gone through to the keeper. A big shout. And another wicket is gone. Yunus Khan not overly happy with it. Well, Tendulkar's tearing his hair out. He's had 2 opportunities of run-outs while he's been bowling. He's had a fellow throw the ball sideways, and now Misfield goes for 4. Oh, the flat back straight drive with power. Fabulous shot. It's not the first time I've seen Abdul Razak play that either, and it won't be the last. Just like that. A little straighter than colour. One bounce for. That's the one over, extra cover. And then a run away for 4. Big over for the home team. 3:19 for 6.
When the ball was new, the Pakistan team did a lot of damage. Those first 10 overs. Can Pakistan themselves create something new there?
Dead straight, very hard, 4. I tell you, from a standing start, this guy has been amazing. Down the wicket, inside out, you get 1. And that's all. So there we go. It's the highest score ever on this ground by 1 run, so that's part of history. It'll have to be challenged. 330 to win. The home team.
And that's a world record score. For a successful chase, they have to create a world record. This series just never ceases to amaze. World record scores in Karachi. Rawalpindi record here. World record chase if India want to win this and go 2-0 up in this Samsung series.
मुकर्ररा 50 ओवर में पाकिस्तान ने 329 रन बनाए, भारत को 330 रन का टारगेट मिला। यासिर हमीद 86, शाद खान अफरीदी 80 के साथ नुमाया रहे।
59 is another massive total on the board. A lot of fast bowlers are suffering here in this tournament. Zair Khan and Balaji, look at the economy rates there in the right-hand corner. Rashish Nehra, remarkable spell of bowling, 10 overs, 44 runs and 3 wickets. Yuvraj Singh was really a wild card played by Saurav Ganguly that worked well, 2 for 41 of his 10. Another big ask for a batting team in this tournament. 6.60 runs per over, the required run rate in the 50 overs for India.
Over the top of the slips and away. One bounce and absolutely crashes into the advertising hoarding, and that's the problem with pace. Good batsmen can use it to hurt the bowler. Oh, that's a great shot. You know, as soon as you make a mistake with this man, it's going to disappear. No third slip, or no second slip in. Would have been a comfortable catch for second slip. That's good early call. Although he was in trouble if it hit. That's well backed up. Very well backed up. 13 without loss. Beautiful delivery. Excellent length on that occasion. Gives himself room and slaps that over cover. One bounce again and it's over the rope. That's a good shot. Gave it a bit of air on purpose, and Sami can't get there this time. Well, that's a magnificent shot. Well, this is a case of fighting fire with fire, because India have obviously decided the best form of defence is attack. He knows nothing other than attack.
What a lovely shot. Both these batsmen are very, very strong off their pads and back boundary.
दोस्तों हदफ के ताक़ुब में भारतीय टीम का आगाज भी
Slow one. That's been put away. Well, a couple of bounces and it crosses the fence. So read really well by the batsman. The slow one from Shabir.
मगर यहाँ पर शुएब अख्तर ने क्लीन बॉल किया, बड़ी शानदार गेंद, और बल्लेबाज देखने समझने से कासिर रहे और बोल्ड हो गए।
People are on their feet. Tremendous stuff. Good pace. And so Pakistan have got the.
दोस्तों ये मुकाबला यकीनी तौर पर देखने लायक है। जब ये मुकाबला आप देखोगे, इसका नतीजा आप देखोगे और यहाँ जो मुकाबला हुआ वो देखोगे, तो आप भी कहोगे कि वाकई में इंडिया पाकिस्तान के मैचेस हमेशा देखने लायक होते हैं।
Close, is it? Yes, given. VVS Laxman turned to see what had happened. This is tremendous stuff from Mohammad Sami. Came back sharply and Laxman was clearly late on that one.
Oh, he's put him down. It's a stroke that Ganguly plays well, I might add. Splaying the right leg towards mid-wicket and easing the ball over extra or over mid-off. But he didn't get that anywhere near the middle of the bat. And the Rawalpindi Express has dropped a sitter. That might go for 4. It will. That's beautifully timed. That'll run away for 4.
He'll get a run.
भारत का स्कोर 105, 2 खिलाड़ी आउट, 31.1 ओवर में 225 रन दरकार। यहाँ सचिन ने शानदार 50 स्कोर की।
But he needs to continue and grow. He needs to be out there till the end if India to win this one. Oh, that's crashed. That'll go to the boundary. So no ball bowled by Mohammad Sami and the last ball being put away for 4. 114 for 2.
28 ओवर में 200 रन दरकार। जब तक सचिन क्रीज पर मौजूद है तो इस मैच को बचाना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। लाला कुछ कर। शाबाश लाला, जैसे मैंने कहा वैसे ही कर दिया और यहाँ पर भारत को तीसरा नुकसान उठाना पड़ा।
Crucial blow, crucial wicket for Pakistan. Indian captain undone by a wonderful ball. Moin Khan stuttered for a while, but he gathered the ball well in the end to dislodge the bails, and so
25.1 ओवर में 186 रन दरकार। जहां सचिन ने उम्दा चौका लगाया।
A very good shot, poor delivery from Shoaib Malik, but it had to be put away, and Sachin Tendulkar has played a wonderful cut shot. 25 gone, 148 for 3. That's 4, that's classy. Sachin Tendulkar has played a blazing cover drive. It was quicker from Shahid Afridi and he read it so well, timed it beautifully.
That's brilliantly placed by Sachin Tendulkar and his timing was perfection. Just wide of mid-wicket and away to the boundary. What a shot. Maybe he realised that if he was going to drop it short, he's going to look to pull it away, but it was a little bit straighter and wider than he thought. Outside off stump. It was a wonderful shot, really was. That's a great shot from Rahul Dravid. How was the serial this morning? There's the 100 for Sachin Tendulkar, first Indian batsman to make the one-day international 100 in Pakistan. Well, that's hit beautifully. That's 6. Oh, how quick was that? Mohan Khan's having a look at the bowler.
It's going to take a lot out of him physically. He's got 4. Doubt. He did well enough, but not enough to save 4.
Reverse sweep from Dravid and middled it.
Here comes the lofted shot. Plays that beautifully, I think. And as he's tiring physically, perhaps he's decided it's the time to take some more risks and play one of those shots that have full value.
Oh, that's a good shot. That is such a good shot. There's the boundary for the over. Seems to be just pacing this perfectly.
Whether he can keep his fitness going, whether he can keep the air in the lungs. Rahul Dravid is running towards the danger end, that's fine.
That's up in the air and can be caught and is. Listen to that crowd now. Are they happy? Or are they happy?
Delirious might be the right word to be used at this time. That's what the Pakistanis are. Well, I said it wasn't in the offing, but I think Inzamam's prayers have been answered. He was hoping for something like this. He didn't change the field too much, just mistimed it. And that's a good catch by Abdul Razak. Made it look easy. That's a difficult catch in the deep.
They'll get a couple here. In fact, they'll get 4. Leg buys. They all count. Bowled in. The pressure just built a little bit. I think that Rahul Dravid felt he had to hit a boundary, and Sami got it in the block hole again. My word, what a good cricketer he's turning out to be. So 260 to 5 here. Malik bowling his last over, and the first ball's gone for 4. Remember, in his last over, the first ball went for 4. That was leg buys. This was off the bat.
Struck very firmly again. That's brilliant batting. Got into position so quickly. Oh, it's beautifully struck, but there's a man out there, and it's held. It was hit right out of the middle. But unluckily for Yuvraj, he picked out the man. Good change of pace there from Shoaib Akhtar. That accounts for Mohammad Kaif. Well, that's got to be very close. Yes, he's gone. So Shoaib Akhtar has got the LBW. He's doing the job for Pakistan, and personally, he's on a hat-trick. Afridi continues, and terrific shot there. That's the quicker one. He's done well. This time he's hit that like an absolute rocket. So the security guard is the only one who had a chance of fielding that. That's come off the top edge and away for another 4. Probably not the smartest delivery from Shoaib Akhtar. Slower ball, and he's got it away from mid-off. In fact, he's hit it extremely well.
यहाँ 13 गेंदों पर 20 रन दरकार, 12 गेंदों पर 16। अच्छी फील्डिंग और रन आउट। यहाँ इंडियन टीम मजीद मुश्किलात का शिकार हो गया। अब देखते हैं कि आया रन आउट है या नहीं।
Coming back into the attack, first ball though, takes it right over the bails.
जी भारतीय बल्लेबाज को जाना पड़ेगा, और भारतीय बल्लेबाज आउट। यहाँ पर भारतीय टीम मजीद मुश्किलात का शिकार।
Ramesh Powell doing a good job, and he's going to retain the strike.
10 गेंदों पर 14 रन दरकार। यहाँ मिस फील्डिंग हुई, जिसके नतीजे में 2 रन आए।
10 balls.
He's ready.
और यहाँ मोहम्मद शमी ने क्लीन बॉल किया, और पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट टीम ने इस मैच में 12 रन से कामयाबी हासिल की। यकीनी तौर पर यह मुकाबला देखकर आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा।
Pretty evenly matched.
Give that here a good ruffle. 3 for 41, in swinging, full middle and leg the perfect ball. Nera could do nothing about it. He's got the split webbing on the left hand. It's hard enough when the ball wasn't pitched perfectly. Sami knows it. It's the ball he wanted, and he's produced it. 1-1 now.
Well, this is turning out to be quite a tournament. India, 2 overs, 16 runs to get. That was the situation at the end, and one thought there could be another surprise here in store. But in the end, Pakistan holding out, winning by 12 runs. Another great game of one-day cricket. Man of the match, Sachin Tendulkar for his 144 runs. Although it ended in a losing effort, it was just an outstanding innings from a master batsman.
Samsung का जीत लो